Hello everyone, Sam is here from myforexmagicwave.com. Making this video about pound yen and the pending order I placed yesterday during the webinar, right? So just let me show you what happened and how it works, or it worked already, right? So it was based on the yen index, first of all. So let's go over with the yen index quickly. Yen index 20-minute chart. This is the one I made on the 2nd August 2021, right? I think it was like Saturday, Sunday, something. And then was the route. This was the route that first it's like a harmonic pattern in the making. It's not complete, right? So my way of trading these creatively is this, that I pinpoint the point C and D and then try to trade that, rather than at the finishing point at D and then trade it, right? Why waste all these pips, right? So here I figure that this is the first pullback at point B is at 78%, then it should be dropping to C. It was dropping, so I said, okay, this will be the target, right? And then it will, according to this diagram, either it's going to bounce from 38, or maybe it will drop all the way to 23 and then bounce. But first thing first, 38, and then see what happens. If you have a reversal candle here, then it is bouncing. If not, then we will drop to 23% and then bounce. Right? So these are the two options. And then going down was in the making right now, right? So the yen index going down means yen is getting strong, and all yen pair will go down with it. Right? So going down, let me show you what happened to this. After that, on the second, you can see here, it reached point C, exactly the way I said. And after that, later I made this that it is now turning towards to the upside, right, on the 4th. So it came exactly where I said that it will go, and then it made the turn exactly the way I said it will make the turn, right? Luckily, right? So when it was going down, what did I do? Well, like I mostly trade pound yen and all the yen pairs, right? But idea is that all yen pair supposed to go down when the index is going down. But I took this only pound yen short here on the second. When I made the chart, I says, okay, this is gonna go down. And then the second entry also, it was this entry basically is this right there. So I took it from the other computer. So altogether, the same day, the first entry, and then it retraced, and then coming down here second. And this is no, I mean the 20-minute was starting from here, and then another entry from 7, and all the way down here for 65 more. But then what happened? Then I made the chart. Then I just showed you the chart. Let me see that I made this one, right? That now it's turning towards D. So it came down, the downside is finished, and it started to go up. Now I said all yen pairs should be going up, but I don't trade most of the yen pairs, only pound yen, sometimes euro yen and Aussie yen, but they didn't give me enough a good setup. So pound yen, what happened to pound yen? At the time it was start to go up, and yesterday when I was doing the webinar, pound yen was, let me show you, was here, right here. It was coming down in this wave. There were red candles were in place. And remember I said that, I taught you guys that, how to place a pending order, and I did place a pending order here. So let me show you how the pending order works. I'm going to show you, but I put the pending order here, right? Yesterday when I was doing the webinar, and I mean I showed it, and then later on I put it there, and then what happened? The prices start to go up, and it took my order in, and this is how it happened. 75 pip to the upside. So and a lot more to come, by the way. If that index continue going to the upside, for example, this is what it is, and how far it is in there. Right now it is there like that today on the 5th. So it's there. It might go up a little bit, 56.78, and dip a little bit, maybe back to this level, then again go to the upside to this level, dip here. That's how it's going to go. Making small waves, or maybe go in a straight line, because you know what? Tomorrow is Friday, and we have NFP. Everybody, the whole market is waiting for the NFP. NFP is a big news, and it shakes almost everything, right? US dollar index actually, but the news is for the USD, but it affects all the other currency, the whole market. So maybe it will just fly all the way to the upside. But as far as right now, the blue candles are in place, and then it's keep going to the upside. Yen pairs will go to the upside. Go take a look. All the yen pairs, they're probably going to go upside. Yes, for example, like euro yen might not, because euro is weak right now, right? So euro is weak, yen is weak, then the pair is not going to move.